Good morning children. Today for the 5th standard I have taken a new lesson, part number 9, Samajhdar Kawa. Samajhdar Kawa means intelligent crow. Kawa is a black bird. You all have seen a kawa, no? Crow. So I'll read the lesson. After reading the lesson, then we'll go on to the question answers written on the board. So first of all, एक पेड़ पर एक कौवा रहता था. The meaning of this is on a tree there used to live a bird which is a crow. So the crow used to live on a tree. एक दिन उसे बहुत प्यास लग रही थी. So one day he was feeling very thirsty. प्यास means thirsty. He was feeling very thirsty. इसीलिए वह पानी की तलाश में जा रहा था. And that is why he was looking around for water. So they're talking about the crow who was looking around for water. उसको कई एक मटका मिला. Suddenly he sees one pot in the jungle. He sees one pot in the jungle. And उसमें पानी तो था मगर बहुत कम था. Is this pot is there, children? This pot, there was water in the pot, but the water level was very low. कौवे की चोंच तक पानी नहीं आ रहा था. So the कौवे की चोंच means the crow's beak. The crow tried to drink the water, but the beak was not reaching the water which was on the bottom of the pot. लेकिन वह कौवा बहुत समझदार था. But the crow was very intelligent. कौवा बहुत समझदार था means the crow was very intelligent. वह तुरंत उड़कर गया और छोटे छोटे कंकड़ लाकर मटके में डालने लगा. So what happened? This crow was feeling very thirsty. While he was looking around for some water, he saw one pot, but he saw there was very little water in the pot. So what he does, since he was an intelligent crow, what he does, he goes and he picks up tiny stones. You can see stones here, children. All these stones he picks up and he collects it around the pot. And then what he does, he picks the stones with his beak and he puts it into the pot. He goes on filling the pot with stones. छोटे छोटे कंकड़ लाकर मटके में डालने लगा. So that is what Miss said. He picks up the stones and puts it into the pot. इससे पानी ऊपर तक आ गया. So when he started putting the stones into the pot, what happened? The water started coming up. So these small stones brought the water up to his beak. अब कौवे को पानी मिला. वह खुशी से पीने लगा. उसकी प्यास बुझ गई. प्यास बुझने के बाद वह उड़कर चला गया. So what happened? When he started putting the stones in the pot, the water level came up and he pushed his beak inside the pot, drank the water nicely. He was satisfied that he was thirsty and he got water to drink. After drinking water nicely, he flew away. So this is a very simple story, children, about a crow, how he used his intelligence and filled the pot with stones so that the water could come up and he could satisfy his thirst. In this lesson, when we come to page number 28, children, the question answers are there, which I'll read it out to you, and also it's on the board. So you can listen to Mrs. audio as well as look in the board. If it's not clear, you can listen to the audio and write your answers. So you have to write the question answers in your classwork note, children. First one, पेड़ पर कौन रहता था? Who was staying on the tree? पेड़ पर एक कौवा रहता था. पेड़ पर एक कौवा रहता था means there was a crow staying on the tree. Second question, एक दिन कौवे को क्या लगी? एक दिन कौवे को क्या लगी? एक दिन कौवे को बहुत प्यास लग रही थी means one day he was very thirsty. He wanted to drink some water. So that only एक दिन कौवे को बहुत प्यास means thirsty. बहुत प्यास लग रही थी. He was very thirsty for water. Third question, रास्ते में उसे क्या मिला? What did he get when he was flying around looking for water? रास्ते में उसे एक मटका मिला. So while he was flying around looking for water, he got a pot. Matka means a pot. He got a pot. रास्ते में उसे एक मटका मिला. And fourth question, मटके में कितना पानी था? How much of water was in the pot? मटके में बहुत कम पानी था. It was very less. कम means very less. बहुत कम means it was very less. मटके में बहुत कम पानी था. Then coming to the fifth question, कौवा क्या करने लगा? What did the crow start doing? So your answer is कौवा छोटे छोटे कंकड़, small stones, कंकड़ means stones, लाकर मटके में डालने लगा. What he started doing? He started filling the pot with small stones, so the water level rose up. कौवा छोटे छोटे कंकड़ लाकर मटके में डालने लगा. So that was what the crow started doing. Then coming to the sixth question, कौवा खुशी से क्या पीने लगा? वह खुशी से पानी पीने लगा. Once the water level came up, children, he started drinking the water. वह खुशी से पानी पीने लगा. Children, these are your question answers related to this lesson. And then you have your number, the second main, in which you have to fill up the blanks. So children, I'll only write up the words that have to be filled in the blanks. You have to look into the book on page number 28 and do it. That is, this is Khali Stan Baro. Miss is only going to write the blank word, the word that has to be filled in the blank. I'm only writing that word. You have to look at the board and get it from there and write it in your textbook. This is on page number 28. Okay. On page number 28. एक पेड़ पर एक डैश रहता था. What used to stay in the tree? एक पेड़ पर एक डैश रहता था. कौवा रहता था. उसे बहुत डैश लग रही थी. उसे क्या लग रही थी? बहुत प्यास. He was very thirsty. बहुत प्यास लग रही थी. वह पानी की तलाश में, what was he doing? वह पानी की तलाश में जा रहा था. वह पानी की तलाश में जा रहा था. उसको कहीं एक डैश मिला. What did he get? He got a pot, correct? He got a मटका. He got a मटका. उसको पानी की, उसको कहीं एक मटका मिला. Then डैश बहुत समझदार था. Who was intelligent? The crow. So you again it comes here as कौवा समझदार, बहुत समझदार था. अब कौवे को पानी लास्ट वन, अब कौवे को पानी मिला. अब कौवे को पानी मिला. That's the last. Fill up the blanks. I have only written the words that have to be filled in the blanks, children. So the first one is कौवा, second one प्यास, जा रहा था, तलाश में जा रहा था. Fourth one is मटका. Then fifth is कौवा and sixth one is मिला. अब कौवे को पानी मिला. Then coming to page number 29, children, you have to write the correct sentence. That is the third main. The third main on page number 29. Do it as homework. Match the correct sentences. That is, match the correct sentences. Do that as homework and send it to Rohana ma'am in the WhatsApp number. Okay. Match the correct sentences. 5 sentences are there. Match it and write this in your classwork note and take a picture and send it to Rohana ma'am on the WhatsApp number, plus your exercise take the picture of the exercise and send it to Rohana ma'am on the WhatsApp number, and I'll get back to you if anything is less. Fine children, do this and send a picture to me. Thank you.